Hi, it's Owen here from PCL. Today we're talking about the ACCURA 1 digital tire inflator. It comes with a 1/4 inch brass female BSP inlet, and again comes in a wide variety of hose lengths and tire valve connector styles. It's a digital inflator which takes a coin cell battery from the back and is a single scale inflator, so it's only available in one pressure unit. So this particular model is the PSI only model. So when you take the ACCURA 1 out of the box, you'll see the little battery cover. Remove that, the display will come on straight away and it will power down in a few seconds. So the display will not come back on until it recognises air pressure through the pressure sensor. So you'll need to connect your airline to the inflator. So you've got your 1/4 inch BSP female inlet port. So just make sure it's secure. Use PTFE tape or thread sealant, and then you're good to go for inflation. When you've got your air inlet connector fitted, hook it up to your air supply, and then you're ready to use it on the tyre. So as mentioned before, as soon as you put the tyre valve connector onto the tyre, the display will light up, and it's going to show what the tyre pressure is inside. So at the moment 12.8 psi, PSI only model. So to inflate, you use this back lever only, and to deflate, we have the deflate button here. Depress the lever, the display is going to show 0 until you let go, and the display can be red. Tyre pressure on screen 20 psi. Hold it down again. Stop momentarily to have a look. 28, so we're going to target 30 psi. 31.2. So now to deflate, the release button on here until you get the desired pressure on screen. The ACCURA 1 takes a coin cell CR2450 battery, has a very long battery life as well. It is a single scale pressure unit model, so you have to purchase the PSI model or the bar model or the KPA model only, so you can't flick between the 2 or 3 pressure units. So there's no need to oil this gauge, being a digital unit. It's also available in different hose lengths and connector variants. You're just going to make sure you routinely check for any wear and tear of the hose or the tyre valve connector itself, and replace those if necessary.